Hi there, it's Devin Pastorius from Windsor Creative Real Estate Photography again, and I want to go through each one of our packages with you. So the first and most common bundle that we have here is our brass tacks. And for all of our longtime clients, you'll be most familiar with this as the photo, video, and iGuide package. Now with this, you get 30 photos, video, and iGuide. Basically anything that you need and everything that you need for your listing is right here. Now, if you need a little bit more, you could add 50 photos, add the drone, add the marketing kit, which you'll see in another video, add twilight photos, or add twilight photos and video. So this year, this is going to be the majority of listings, perfect option for you. Now, if you want the best before you get into our luxury and custom options, this is the Market Master. Now with the Market Master, you get everything that comes with the brass tacks, as well as 50 photos instead of 30, a 30-second video reel that brings you through the entire house. This includes drone photos and video, and it includes the marketing kit. Now there's a huge savings with this. If you want to go through and try to add everything up from the brass tacks with the additional, you save about $300 with this package. So you order everything and it's ready to go. One of our newest options, and something that we think that a lot of you are really going to like, is our Quick Pick Social. Now there's a lot of listings out there that may not need 30 photos, and they might just need a quick video, quick photo, something that's going to make it look nice, get it up online fast. This is the perfect, cost-effective, efficient way of doing that. You're going to get a 30-second video reel of the property and 15 photos for only $225. Now, if you want to add 30 photos to it, it's only another $45 to bring it up to $270. So now we're offering 30 photos and video for less than $300. If you want to add the iGuide to it, you can get out for photos, video, and iGuide for only $450. Add drone, add the marketing kit, add twilight photos, whatever you need. But that Quick Pick Social with even the 30 photos is an incredibly cost-effective way of getting a lot of content for your listing that's still going to work on social media in an awesome way. Now, our luxury and custom packages, some of you may or may not be familiar with. Here we can do just about anything under the sun. Most of our packages are kind of our templated, day-to-day, bread and butter listings, get in, get out, deliver them the next day. If you have a listing like the cover photo here, like the Low Martin Mansion, or something that needs a little extra, you're going to click here. It's going to cost you $1, but it's going to give you an opportunity to make a phone call to us. We have to charge $1 because that's the minimum amount that we can charge. And you'll be able to book your time, get all the project details out of the way, send it to us, and we'll come up with something interesting. Now, just as a note, we're going to be coming in higher than the Market Master price, so just adjust budget expectations accordingly. With our luxury and custom packages, myself personally will be shooting them the same way that I do with my architect clients, Our Home Magazine, so on and so forth, and we'll be doing something unique. It will not be the same thing on any two properties. This is something that is exclusive to Windsor Creative Real Estate Photography, and you will find no higher quality photo, video, and creative idea than with our luxury and custom options. As well, we have our simple photo and video and photo and iGuide packages. So just select one of those, your 30 photos and video, 30 photos and iGuide, nice and simple. So that there is our packages and bundles. As you can see, there's a lot of awesome options for you in every listing that you may have. If you have any questions about any of these bundles, feel free to reach out to me at any time. I'd be more than happy to chat with you.